Hello friends, welcome to my channel Code with me, and let's start with Python session. So suppose we have a list of A. Suppose we have A list and it has three elements: apple, mango, and cherry. So so A is the list and there are three elements: apple, mango, and cherry. Okay. I want to add grapes to this list. Okay. So now grapes is added to the list A. Suppose we want to add two elements, grapes and berry, to A. So append function can take only one argument. We have given two arguments, it will not work. How we can do this? So if suppose there is a list B and we have grapes and berry over there, okay, we check the list. Now we can use extend function to add list B to A. Now what is, so grapes and berries are added to list A. Okay, now we want to add any element at a specific position, so we can use insert function. Okay, like at two position we want to add pine, so you can see that. So python is python indexing start at 0 position, so from 0 1 2 2 position we have added pine. Okay, now suppose we have a list C, there are elements 3 4 5. Okay, now we want to sum up all the elements of list C. You can see that it's a 50. What is the how many elements are there in C list? We can use len function. There are 5 elements are there. We want to check how many times 2 is there in list C. You can see that uh, you can see that 2 is there at one time. Okay, suppose we have a list D, there are 1 2 3 4 5, then again 2, then 4 3, then 2, then 5 6, then 2. Okay, now we print D again. Okay, now I count how many times 2 is there. 4 times 2 is there. I want to check the positions of 2, at which place 2 occurs in list D. Okay, so I can use index function. So the first occurrence of 2 is at one position. I want to check the second occurrence of 2. So second time the two elements is at 5 position, so 0 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now I want to check the third occurrence of 2. Okay, what is the position? So how I will check it? 6. Okay, so there is some error. Did you mean index? Okay, so we have written it wrongly. 2 comma 6. So eighth position, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so first occurrence is at 1 position, second occurrence is at 5 position, and third occurrence is at 8 position. I want to know the fourth occurrence of 2, at what position it is. Okay, index 2 comma 9. Okay, so 11 position. And how many elements are there in D elements? So 12. So 0, so 11 position. Okay, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So Python start at 0 position, there are 12 elements, and at the 11th position it is. So this is the last element, you can check it. Okay, so this is the way that you can use the count function, that how many times 2 occurs, 4 times, and we want to know that what are the position of 2. So 2, and then next time we will take the starting position. So the first position, the first 2 is at 1 position, so we have taken 2. The second as is at 5, so it should start at index 6 for the second, and for third occurrence it should start at 6, and for fourth, at third is at 8 position, so we have given index 9 to check the position of fourth occurrence. Okay, suppose you want to know what is minimum in D list, what is maximum in D list, and I want to sort D list, and I want to check. So you can see that D list is sorted and it is in ascending order. Suppose we want to sort D list in descending order. How we can do that? We can do that by reverse is through. So now we check it. So D list is sorted in reverse order, and but there is also other function that is called reverse. It will reverse D list, so you can see that. So basically sort function with reverse argument through is equal to reverse function. Okay, now we want to remove the elements. How we can remove the elements? Suppose we can use pop function. So pop function will remove the last element and it will show it. Okay, but suppose we want to remove 0 1 2 3 4 5, fifth element. Okay, so what we can do, this pop, and we have given fifth. What is at fifth position? We want to know that what is at fifth position, and we want to remove it. Then pop fifth. Fifth is the index, so it has removed third. Okay, and suppose you can use del function also. D is equal to, suppose you want to remove at 0 position element. Now we can. So 1 is removed. So if you want to remove any element based on indexing, based on the position, you can use pop and del function. But If you directly want to remove any element, so suppose I want to remove 4, okay, so you can use remove function, and I am just removing 4, okay, directly. So it is not based on the indexing, it is directly we are removing the element, and we can check it. So 1 4 is removed. Suppose we want to remove the other D also. Now we can check it. So we have removed again 4. So the conclusion is that if you want to remove element, you can use pop, del and remove function. If you want to remove based on indexing, you can use pop and del function. And if you want to remove by the element, giving the element name, you can use the remove function. Sort function is sort the element based on the in ascending order. The reverse function will sort the element in reverse order. Sort with reverse through argument is equal to reverse function, okay. And always remember this uh, indexing index function. So first is your element that you want to position, that at what position it is, and you can use count function how many times it is, and then you can index function at what locations it is. So it will, if you don't give the indexing, then it will show the first occurrence, and then use that first occurrence to give the next indexing, so that you can trace all the 4 occurrence of any element, okay. That's it for today. I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye.